Hello.
It's Teacher Kelly and Walter the Vault, and today we have a brand new question from one of you. Let's listen.
Hello, Walter the Vault and Miss Kelly. I am Yua from Osaka, Japan, and I have a question. How can I make money? Thank you.
That's a great question. There are many ways to get money.
Yeah, there are many ways to get money, but can you tell us some of them?
Of course. One way to get money is by doing a job. This is called working. Maybe you can babysit your neighbor's pet and get paid.
Oh, yeah. My neighbor has a little cat named Mimi, and Mimi is so cute. Although sometimes she's kind of crazy because she does like to hit stuff off the table. But those neighbors do go out of town a lot. So maybe I could do some work for them and help them feed the cat when they're gone. Ooh, that's a really good idea.
You can help care for Mimi even when your neighbors are not away.
Okay, well, what if some of the people listening don't have a neighbor with a cat? What are some other ways that we can make money?
You can make money by selling something.
Yeah, that's true. A lot of people make money from selling things. Like my aunt, she sells houses. And the restaurants sell food. Ugh, what could I sell?
Do you have any skills?
Any skills? What are skills?
Skills are things that you know how to do, like painting or drawing or knitting.
Oh, yeah. Lately, I've been learning how to knit. And lately, it's been kind of cold outside, so maybe I could knit a sweater for Mimi. And their family could buy it from me. Aw, and Mimi could stay warm. Okay, but are there any other ways that we can make money?
You can get an allowance from your family.
What's an allowance?
It's money that your family gives you every week.
Oh, yeah. Some of my friends have that. But how do I get an allowance?
The best way to get an allowance is to ask. Talk to an adult in your family and ask if they can give you a set amount of money each week. You can even do chores to earn extra money.
Okay. Well, maybe I can go talk to them about it now. And I know some of my friends might actually have an allowance because I know they do chores. And I wouldn't mind doing some chores to make money. Thanks, Walter. Those are a lot of really good ideas. Aw, well, I hope you guys can go out and try and make money too. Let us know how it goes. And see you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. See you next time.
And that's how money, that's how it's made. Oh, you earn money by working. That's right, that's right, that's right.